Hello guy, thanks for the time to watch my video. This video for introducing how to install the feature marble to the surface of the rangehood cabinet for Maraboo Loop project in Perth. Why are there square grooves on the surface of the rangehood cabinet? The square grooves are intentionally created on the surface of the cabinet to facilitate the installation of the feature stone, specifically the marble. The even and smooth surface of the cabinet does not provide optimal adhesion for the feature marble. To enhance the adhesive effectiveness, it is necessary to make the surface of the cabinet more rough. Here is our suggested installation process for attaching the feature marble to the surface of the rangehood cabinet. Step 1. Position the feature wall, foam panel treated as the feature stone, correctly on the cabinet surface. The feature wall has a hole on the back. I am using a foam panel to represent the feature stone. Insert the slot into the hole and bring the stone close to the cabinet. Once the slot attaches to the cabinet, mark down the slot position on the cabinet. Use a drilling machine to create a hole at the marked position. This hole serves not only to secure the feature wall in the correct position but also to prevent the stone from falling down, even if the silicone adhesive experiences aging and detachment. Step 2. Apply an adequate amount of silicone adhesive onto the surface of the rangehood cabinet. Step 3. Place the stone onto the surface of the cabinet, ensuring proper alignment and adhesion. In the end, we would suggest you join the feature stone and the rangehood cabinet on the ground at the beginning. Once the stone installation is done in the correct position on the cabinet, then hang the final rangehood cabinet with the stone on the wall. This will make the job easier.